Hello, this is Parker with Route For Me. Who do we have on the line?
Hi, Parker. My name is Jack.
Hey, Jack. How's it going today?
It's going well. I have some questions about the system. I started my free trial, and I had a colleague of mine recommend Route for Me. We're having a really hard time kind of managing our drivers, and I
hmm
was really hoping that Route for Me could help us out with that.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'd be happy to show you how to do that. So, do you have dispatchers, multiple drivers, that kind of thing, or
Yep,
can you
we
tell
have
me a little bit
multiple
more?
drivers and currently trying to train a dispatcher.
Okay. And are they all kind of on the same team, or are they separated out into different teams?
Currently, right now, we do have some separate teams.
Okay, great. So why don't I just jump into the system and show you a little bit what Route For Me can do. So, can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, great. Um, so I'm just going to log into my account here. If you have started a free trial already, you can just log into your account with your email address and password. Probably first thing to do is go ahead and set up our users. So over here on the left, if you click on the team tab and then click on users, we can actually start adding and organizing our users in our team. So we can do a few different things. So for example, I've just got, an administrator, which is my account, and then I've got some drivers assigned underneath me. So if we added a sub-user, you can add a sub-user at any time. And basically, this is where you can kind of start to organize and make sure that everyone has the proper role. So basically, put in first name, last name, email address, and assign them a password. This is how they log in to Route For Me, either on the web or on the mobile app. And then obviously we want to assign them a user role. So for example, you might have, like you said, it sounded like you said I think you had a couple dispatchers, a couple different teams. So you probably have two different dispatchers. So you can actually create a dispatcher. And then when you go back to your team tab, I'll show you that in a second, you can actually assign drivers to them or assign other users underneath them. So this is hierarchical. So basically, if you have different managers, but basically it goes regional manager down to driver. So you can actually see that it is hierarchical. So you can assign them in that fashion. Of course, you can also make sure that they have certain other user roles and access options. For example, um, if they don't have access to a global address book, that's the address book of the account owner. Whoever started the account, they can actually start their own address book to be able to see that. You can also limit people from seeing all drivers, anything like that. Does that make sense so far?
Yep.
Great. Yeah. So basically, once you have multiple users, you can actually move these around and assign them. So you can kind of see under Manager One, which is what I'm logged into. I've been assigned these four drivers, and their names are just arbitrary. Of course, if we change the name, it can actually have a user's name. It doesn't have to say sales rep. It doesn't have to say driver. It doesn't have to say anything like that. It can be very specific if you need that. So that's essentially one way in which to organize them and really make sure that they're actually getting assigned to the right person. So, for example, as soon as you generate a route, why don't I just go over to my routes list and use a sample route that I have in here. Your dispatchers will be able to see those routes, and then they'll also be able to see the users that have been basically underneath them. So they'll be able to assign those. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, so all you have to do is click the blue button and assign the user. So from there, they shouldn't have to do too much more. Let's see here. Any other questions or?
Yeah, so okay, so I can assign my users. So how does my dispatcher kind of work with this flow? So would she go ahead and assign the users and then tell the drivers, or how would that work?
Yeah, as soon as they assign the user, the driver can then, it's kind of in our onboarding and setup process a little bit, but as soon as the driver has been assigned the route, the driver can now access that route through our free mobile app on either their Android device, either Android phone or tablet, or we also have a mobile app, a free mobile app for iOS, so iPad or iPhone. So ultimately, they can just they click the blue button, click assign user, and from there they don't really have to do too much else. The driver just has our downloaded app, logs into the app, and they can access the route on the app. So that's kind of how that works. Does that make sense so far?
Yep, that makes sense.
Um, okay. Uh, let's see. Anything else I forgot to mention? Yeah. So ultimately, that's kind of how they use it. And of course, if the dispatchers want to want to actually see the reports or anything like that, they can access some reports, some basic reporting, and just kind of see what's going on with the route at any time, and see an activity feed and dashboard. So that's kind of how they have it, and that's kind of there. So does
Great.
that help?
So
Does
how
that kind of
could
help
my
organize the team?
yeah, so how could
Well,
my dispatcher kind of manage all of my drivers at once? Is there a way for her to kind of see them all at once or anything like that?
yeah, so she can manage them all at once. So your dispatcher will see all the routes just like you see up on screen here. Um, and basically they can manage them all at any time. You can also go back to that team list and view any routes from a specific driver, and it will show a list view as well.
Great. That seems like that would be very helpful.
Mm-hmm. Oh, great. Yeah, so if you have any other issues, just please reach out to support. Was this helpful?
Yep, sure was.
Okay, fantastic. Well, reach out to our support anytime. We're happy to help, and have a great day. Thanks, Jack.